I'm already getting ready for Halloween at my house. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays, and I'm so excited to put together this ghost with you. And I'd like to thank the brand for sending it to me for free. I'm so glad they did, and I'm so excited about how tall it is. So let's put it together. So the first thing, it came with the tripod, and then all you had to do is screw in the bottom globe and then twist on the top globe. So it's really easy to put together. It comes with a sheet to go over the tripod base, and let's extend the tripod as far as it goes so you can see how tall it gets. This is such a fun ghost. I'm excited to use it. So this does get close to 5 feet, and the arms are repositionable, so that's fun. And it comes with lights that you can put underneath to light it up in the dark, and you do have to provide your own 3 AA batteries. And it also comes with 2 eyes and a nose, and we'll put those on later. Here's the sheet that goes over it. It ends up being just under 5 feet tall. When you extend the entire tripod, you can make it shorter if you want to, but not taller. I'm 5'2", and it's extended as far as it will go. Let's put the lights on underneath. Here's the fun part. This is such a cute little ghost decoration for Halloween, isn't it? Now let's put the eyes and nose on. I forgot to mention it comes with zip ties as well. Let's make him so he can see, and let's make it so he can howl. I'm gonna reposition the arms a little bit so you can see some different ways you can use it. You could have one up and one down. You could have a really spooky one with his arms up. I'm just gonna go like that. That's how I want it. And I'll show you the whole thing. Isn't that fun? Of course, you could put the lights in differently than I did. I think this would be fun for indoor or outdoor. And you would have to be careful about the wind blowing it over if it was outside. But it is on a stable tripod that looks like that. I did put the sheet in the dryer to get the wrinkles out. I think it's really festive with our other Halloween decor and nice and tall, which is fun. Okay, here's the lights on the ghost. And let's put the sheet over and see how it looks. How fun would that be for a classroom, for your front porch, or even your entryway like where I have? It's such a fun and festive Halloween decoration. Check it out today. You'll be so glad you did.